Luma and the Singing Stones. In a quiet valley where the wind sleeps under silver trees lived a tiny cloud moth named Luma. Her wings glowed like morning light, but Luma felt different. The moss birds sang together, the little stones made music in the moonlight, and the sky vines danced in the air. But Luma flew alone. Why don't I sit like the birds? Why do I shine when others hide in shade? One evening, when the sky turned soft purple, Luma heard a whisper. It came from the stones on the ground. They glowed gently. One stone said, "You are not lost, little light. You are still flying home." Another stone said, "You don't have to be the same. You just have to be you." Then one warm stone whispered, "Shine, so others can see you." Luma stopped. She had tried to hide her light. She had tried to be quiet. But now, she let her light grow. She danced in the air, and the stones sang with her, not to her, with her. The birds listened, the vines swayed, and in that quiet glowing place, Luma felt something soft and full inside. She belonged, not by being the same, but by being herself. A little question just for you. Have you ever felt different like Luma? What makes you feel like you belong?